Here's 5 home maintenance tips that'll keep your house in good working order. So the first one we're gonna start off with is making sure that you check your heating and cooling systems on a regular basis. This includes changing your filters out monthly, and then especially for your AC system, you're having that serviced or at least inspected every 6 months. Basically, we know that here in the Phoenix area, we're running our AC systems very often, especially come summertime, so you wanna make sure that's in good working order. The best times to do this, in my opinion, is the springtime as things are starting to heat up, and then in the fall when things are starting to cool down. You wanna make sure all of that stuff is in good working order. Next, you wanna make sure you clean out your gutters and trim back any overhanging trees. While it doesn't rain a lot here in the Phoenix area, once monsoon season hits, you wanna make sure that stuff is nice and clean so you don't have spillage over your gutters or potential limbs that could come down on your roof. Next is you wanna drain your water heater yearly. Here in the Phoenix area, we have hard water everywhere, so that can build up over time. It will reduce the amount of hot water you can maintain in the actual tank, and then it can also erode the lifetime expectancy of the unit itself. One thing you may consider adding on to this is getting a water softener. This will help with the overall plumbing system in your house. It'll increase the life expectancy of your water heater, as well as a few other benefits that you can check out for. Next is you want to make sure to clean out your air ducts and your dryer vents on a regular, consistent basis. For your air ducts, that's 3 to 4 years. Basically, once that starts to build up, you're running your AC system, all of that dust, it can create bad allergies for you. You can start to smell a kind of a metallic taste, a dusty taste when your AC kicks on, so you don't want any of that. And then for your dryer vents, you wanna have these cleaned every 1 to 2 years. The more you run your dryer, this lint from all your clothes can get built up and it will actually create a fire hazard in your house. So you definitely don't want your house to burn down. You wanna make sure that everything stays nice and clean. Next and final tip I have for you is make sure to have your home inspected regularly for termites and other potential pests and insects. For termites inspections, get those done yearly. There's a lot of companies out there that will do free inspections for you. And then if you do go in and get a termite treatment for whatever reason, whether it's they found termites or just do it for preventive maintenance, you can usually get 1-year warranties, or you can get 5-year warranties. Well, so they'll come back and do an inspection each year, and then if they find termites during that time, they'll retreat it for free. All right, guys, that's 5 great tips to make sure your home stays in good condition. If you're ever in need of a referral for any of these services, I do have vendor partners throughout the valley, so just reach out to me. I'd love to pass that contact information on to you, and they'd love to help you out. And if you're interested in buying or selling a home here in the Phoenix area, I'd love to help you with that. I work valley-wide, greater Phoenix area, so just hit me up in the DMs or text me or call me. All of my information is down in the description.